Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Salesforce Sandbox for testing sales flows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing your Salesforce Sandbox for testing sales flows, log into your Salesforce production environment. Navigate to the setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the quick find box, type Sandboxes and select the Sandboxes option from the drop-down. On the Sandboxes page, locate the sandbox you wish to authorize. Click on the name of the sandbox to open its details. In the sandbox details, find the View Setup link and click on it. This will take you to the setup area for the selected sandbox. Now, in the quick find box, type Apps and select App Manager from the options. In the App Manager, identify the app you are using for sales flows. Click the drop-down arrow next to the app name and select Edit. In the app settings, navigate to the OAuth section. Ensure that the required OAuth scopes, such as API and refresh_token, are enabled. Copy the consumer key and consumer secret provided for your app. Now switch to your sandbox. Log into the sandbox environment using the sandbox credentials. Once logged in, open a new browser tab and go to the Salesforce Connected App page. Click on the Manage Connected Apps link. Click on New Connected App to create a new entry. Fill in the connected app details using the copied consumer key and secret. For the OAuth settings, select the same scopes as defined in the production environment. Save the connected app settings. Now, return to the original browser tab and log into the production environment again. In the quick find box, type Profiles and select it. Find the profile that corresponds to your users in the sandbox. Click on the profile name and scroll down to OAuth Policies. Set the Permitted Users option to All users may self-authorize. Save your changes. Return to your sandbox again to finalize the authorization. Open a new incognito window for testing. Navigate to the authorization URL for your connected app. Log in with your sandbox credentials when prompted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.